Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to study adjective and adverb, and we are going to see the difference between them. Let's start with adjective. So, an adjective describes a noun or pronoun. Adjective صفة describes تعبر أو تعود إلى الاسم noun or pronoun. ضمير. For example, نشوفوا examples. This apple is bad. هذه التفاحة سيئة. Bad is an adjective. Why? Because it describes a noun. تعبر أو تعود إلى الاسم. Apple تفاحة. Apple is a noun. Next example, he is quick. Quick is an adjective. Why? Because it describes a pronoun. He is a pronoun. علاش؟ he كنعوضوها كريم مثلا. يعني ضمير. He is a ضمير pronoun. Next example, this music is good. Good is an adjective. Why? Because it describes a noun. Music is a noun, الموسيقى. Now let's see an adverb. An adverb describes a verb, adjective or adverb. الحال يعبر عن الفعل الصفة أو الحال. Adverb الحال. For example, he entered the room quietly. هو دخل الغرفة بهدوء. Quietly is an adverb. Why? Because it describes the verb enter. How he entered the room? Quietly. يعني quietly تعود إلى الفعل entered. Next example. You are too young to get married. Young is an adjective and too is the adverb. Why? Because it describes the adjective young. Why young is an adjective? For example, نحيدو to نقولوا you are young. كيف ما شفنا قبل young هنا تعبر عن a pronoun which is you. You is a pronoun. And to تعبر عن an adjective young. لهذا to is an adverb. Next example, he works very fast. Very is an adverb and fast also is an adverb. Why? Because very describes the adverb fast. Fast is an adverb. Why? For example, he works fast. Fast تتعود works. يعني هنا تعبر على الفعل. That's why fast is an adverb. Very fast. So this is the difference between adjective and adverb. The adjective describes a noun or pronoun, while the adverb describes a verb or adjective. So thank you for watching and see you next video.